Hello and welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, we are going to make a chocolate chip cookie dough cake. If you guys would like to know how I made this chocolate chip cookie dough cake, me and my daughter Maya, then let's get into this video. So we made a box white cake, vanilla cake. And we added some semi-sweet chocolate chips. And here we are mixing it up together. So this will be your first step. The next step is to get you a round pan. See, like we have here. And you are going to use some Baker's Joy or Pam in this pan. And next you are going to pour your batter over into the pan. Make sure that you pour it halfway through. And you will need 3 round pans. 3 round pans. Because this is a 3-layer cake. Okay. Make sure that your dough is in the pan evenly. Okay. And that the dough, like I said, measures up to the middle. Now, you are going to place your cake in the oven at 350 degrees until it comes out clean with a toothpick or a fork. Here, we allowed it to cool and we have taken the cake out of the pan. The next step is to go ahead and to continue to make your other layers if you only have 1 pan. But if you have 3, go ahead and put them in the oven all at the same time. We only have 1 pan of the size, so we are going to have to cook 3 different cakes at 3 different times. Now, if you guys would like to donate to my channel to help me get more equipment so that I can continue to produce great videos for you guys, then send me an email and I will send you my cash out link. Okay, you guys, now let's get back to our video. Okay, so now let's get ready to prepare our frosting. Yes, it is store-bought frosting, but we are going to do something different to the store-bought frosting. You're going to take the frosting out of the jar that it comes in, or the can, and you're going to place it in a bowl for mixing. Next, we are going to add some powdered sugar to our frosting. That's right. This is going to end up being a delicious whipped frosting. And also, you're going to add some whipped cream. That's right, add you some whipped cream to make you a delicious vanilla flavored whipped frosting. And you're gonna stir it, mix it. Be careful, because you know that powdered sugar can get everywhere, and you do not want your kitchen to be white like snow. It's not wintertime, you guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's mix that together until we get it nice and smooth and creamy. So now let's get ready to make use some simple syrup. Simple syrup is half water, half sugar. Gonna mix it together until it's well combined. You're gonna heat it up over the stove so the sugar can melt into the water. Okay, so you're gonna base each layer of your cake with a simple syrup. Here I am using a brush. If you don't have a brush, you can use a squirt bottle and just squirt the simple syrup on top of your cake layers. Now it is time to ice that cake up. That's right, we're gonna ice these layers of this cake. So each layer, we have 1, 2, 3. We are going to use that icing that we made in these cake layers, okay? And we're going to stack them. And also we are going to place some cookie dough on each layer. So make sure that you have you some chocolate chip cookie dough to place on each layer of your cake. I didn't get the chance to record the cookie dough, but you can see the cookie dough here on this top layer. And I'm putting icing around the top layer of the cake. And this is where you guys are gonna have to take more time and do this very slowly. Okay, so now stack each cake layer together. And let's get ready to spread this icing on this cake. Okay, it's not gonna be an extremely thick icing. It's gonna be extremely thin, okay? As you guys can see that Tamaya and I are doing here. Do yours exact the same.